Hi guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to change your currency in your Google Play Store. So first, click the Play Store application. And then as you can see here, make sure that you have logged in the right Google account. Click the profile icon that you can see in the top right corner of the screen. And then click the Settings. Go to General tab. And then click the Account and Device Preferences. Inside this tab, you will see the country and profiles. As you can see here, this is the switch to the Philippine Play Store. This is how you can change your currency in your Google Play Store. And then it will only change when you move to a new country. Now, in order to change the country, you just need to create a new country in your Play Store application or in your Google account. And basically, that is how you can change your currency in your Play Store application. And thank you for listening.